iPhone 14 Pro Max. Back glass replacement. iPhone 14 Pro Max. Back glass is so strong. It's really important to be very careful while removing back glass. Heating gun can be used to melt the glue, so that glass pieces will be a bit easy to remove. At the center, you will find the wireless charging coil. Be careful not to damage wireless charging coil. Remove old glue. Please don't forget to subscribe to our channel and press bell icon. Apply new glue. It's done. Thank you for watching our video.